tools in Snow Leopard help manage the process of receiving and reviewing student work and providing students with feedback. You can readily view and annotate documents saved as PDF files and set up mail to collect work emailed by students in one mailbox and to subscribe to student work submitted on a wiki or blog. When students are ready to hand in work on their sustainability projects, it's easiest for all of their documents to be in one format. They can save their work as a PDF file from any application using the print dialog. First, open the document you want to save as a PDF, such as a report created in Pages or a presentation in Keynote. Choose Print from the File menu. Choose Save as PDF from the PDF pop-up menu. Enter a name for the file and select where you want to save it. You can enter additional information if you like. Doing so can help with locating the file later, but it's not necessary. Click Save. Now the document is saved as a PDF file, which means it can be opened on any computer, Mac or PC that has PDF viewer software, such as Preview. If students all take this step before handing in their work, you'll be able to focus on assessment instead of finding an application to open the files. When you receive PDF files from students, you can open, view, and print them with Preview, an application included with Snow Leopard. You can then use the tools in Preview to add your feedback to the files. Preview quickly opens PDF files. In Snow Leopard, Preview is the default PDF viewer and editor. Click the Previous and Next buttons in the toolbar to move from page to page. And use the Zoom tools to get a closer look, such as at an image included in a student report. You can use the search field in the toolbar to quickly find instances of a term. For example, to see whether a student has included information on an assigned topic. With the annotation tools in Preview, you can add comments and highlight and underline sections of a document. To add a comment, choose Show Annotations toolbar from the View menu. Then click the Note button in the Annotations toolbar. Drag the note to where you'd like it to appear. Your name also appears automatically in the note. This is a setting that can be changed in the PDF tab of Preview Preferences. In addition to adding notes, you can highlight, underline, or delete text. Click the Text tool in the toolbar. Select the text you want to call attention to. Then click the Highlight button in the Annotations toolbar. Students can also use these tools to provide peer review comments as they work on their projects. When you're done adding comments, choose Save As from the File menu to save the file with another name. Now you can return it to the student for review. Students can get their finished work to you in a number of ways. By sending files to you by email or by uploading them to a wiki or blog. With smart mailboxes, you define criteria, such as all mail received from one email address, or with a specific term in the subject line. Then, all mail received that meets those criteria appears in that mailbox. To set up a smart mailbox, click the Add button at the bottom of the sidebar and choose New Smart Mailbox. Type a name for the smart mailbox in the dialog that appears. Define the search criteria you want for the mailbox. Then click OK. The smart mailbox appears in the sidebar, ready to collect messages. When new mail arrives, that mailbox shows that there has been an addition. If your students upload their assignments to wikis or blogs instead of emailing them, you can use RSS to subscribe to those wikis or blogs in Mail. By subscribing, Mail will let you know whenever students add a new post, so you don't have to manually check the website. To subscribe to a wiki or blog in Mail, you'll need the URL of its RSS feed. You can tell if a website has an RSS feed when you see this RSS icon. Click the icon to see the URL that you'll need to subscribe, and select Copy from the Edit menu. Open Mail, then click the Add button at the bottom of the sidebar and choose Add RSS Feeds. A list of predefined sites you can subscribe to are listed here. To subscribe to the student blog, select Specify the URL for a feed and paste the URL. Click Add. This RSS feed is password protected because it comes from the class wiki. Enter your username and password and click Login. Now, whenever students update the blog, the new entry appears in a separate mailbox in your inbox. Student groups can keep track of each other's blogs by using the same steps. You're now ready to receive, review, and provide feedback on student work in a highly organized and efficient way.